Good morning, everyone. My name is Priyas. Today, I am going to represent birds and their nest EVSAIL activity. Let's start. See the image of Kingfisher. They don't build nests of sticks or plants. They nest in burrows that they dig into dirt banks, tree cavities, etc. Now, second bird, crow. See the image of crow and its nest. Their nests are solidly built of branches and twigs and are lined with barks. See the weaver bird image and its third bird I am showing you. They are best known for their hanging nests woven from leaves. See the tailorbird and its nest. Tailorbird get their names from the way their nest is created. It creates its nest by sewing leaves together with its beak. See the ovenbird and its nest. It's amazing nest I'm showing you. They build earthen nests in trees, collected mud and dung to create a bowl like an oven that is then baked by the sun to create a hardened shelter. Thank you.